In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and edit saved marketing email templates in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where your templates live, how to open and manage them, and how to start a fresh one from scratch. First, sign into your HubSpot portal, then head to the trial guide. Think of the trial guide as a jumping off point that helps you quickly reach the tools you need. Once you're there, open the More menu to expand your options. From that menu, choose Marketing. This takes you into the marketing workspace, where your email tools are organized. Next, select Email. You'll land on your email area, which includes drafts, sent emails, and access to the tools that power your templates. Open the Email Tools menu, then click More to reveal additional options. From here, choose Message Templates. This is the dedicated space where your saved templates are stored and organized. Inside Message Templates, you'll see your existing templates listed. To manage a template, open it to make edits, or use the actions available to rename, clone, or archive as needed. If you maintain several versions, a helpful tip is to keep a clearly labeled master template that reflects your latest brand styling and clone it whenever you need a new campaign. Use search and filters to quickly find templates by name or recent edits, and consider adding consistent naming conventions so your team can locate the right layout fast. If you're ready to build something new, click New Template. When prompted, choose from scratch. This gives you a blank canvas so you're not locked into a pre-built layout. Give your template a clear, descriptive name that indicates purpose or audience. Then begin structuring your content sections such as header, body, and footer, keeping your brand colors, typography, and spacing consistent. Add placeholder content where appropriate, and leave room for personalization so your team can easily swap in recipient names or dynamic details later. As you edit, save frequently, and use the preview to check how your layout looks on desktop and mobile. Keep image sizes optimized for fast loading, and verify that all links use your preferred tracking parameters. Once you're satisfied, save your changes so the template is ready for future campaigns. That's it. You've navigated from the trial guide to marketing, into email, then through email tools to message templates, and you've seen how to open, manage, and create templates from scratch. Follow this flow anytime you need to update your saved designs